Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way how to install your own solar panel lights that can light up any dark areas in your backyard, in your garden, the side of your home, even the front of your home. Who knows, right? So for me today, I needed to light up the garden in the backyard so we could be out here late at night. So this is the product we ordered. We actually ordered this off of Amazon. The solar panel lights. It's 100 watts. Very bright. So this is the panel. Check that out. This is the panel right here. I'm gonna put you over there. And this is the light. And it even comes with a remote, which makes things excellent. Makes things easy too. So I got a little bit of a weight. Weigh like about 5 to 6 pounds. Not that heavy. This is how it looks. Comes with brackets. This bracket is for the panel, because this one already have a bracket on it. So the tools for this project, I can't stress this enough. You want to make sure you have the proper tools. So first you're going to need a hammer drill. You're going to need the right bit. When you do the unboxing, they sent you like a 5/16 anchor. This right here. You want to make sure, if you're using this on concrete, you want to make sure you have the right bit. This is 3/8. So the 5/16 is going to fit perfectly inside of that. And you have the proper ratchet. Make sure you have the proper ratchet, which is 3/8. And of course, make sure you wear your safety glasses when you use the hammer drill. You don't want no particle flying inside of your eyes. And yeah, they even send you batteries. They send you 2 batteries to put inside of the remote. Inside the remote, look, on and off, auto. You can set it to however you want. I'm probably gonna set it to dawn. So that's basically it. So we're gonna start this project. So the first thing you wanna do is make sure you find a perfect spot for your light. I found my spot already. So, and the second thing, you wanna take this bracket off. Make things easy. You don't wanna try to hook this bracket up connected to the light. It's gonna be a disaster, and it's gonna make things real hard for you, especially on a hot day. So once you take this bracket off, it's gonna be real easy. See, you put it back on later, so you don't got to worry about that. So the first thing, make sure you mark it out. So I'm gonna put this bracket right over here. Mark 2 dots. You could just eyeball it. Take the bracket down, start drilling. So after you drill your holes, you push your anchor in and put the bracket on. Put your flat washer first. Pull your little anchor out. Put your lock washer. And put your nut. I just eyeball this. This is good for me. Alright. Hand tight, then after that, first bracket should look like that. If you're putting it on bricks or concrete, it should look exactly like this. There we go. So the project almost complete. All we gotta do is zip tie the remainder of this wire. See, we got a lot left. I'm just gonna zip tie it onto the other wire, make it look good. If you look, I put the panel right here by the door, and the wire runs straight over there by the lights. So yeah, it's a quick and easy way to get things done. You don't want to iron an electrician. You can just put up a solar lights, man. Cheap and easy. So this is the complete project. So we put one of the solar lights over here. Let me zoom in on that so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Ran the wire back all the way to the panel. See the panel right over there? But we didn't just hook up one, we actually did two. So this is the second one that we did, right above the garage. I ran the wire right inside the siding, so you really can't see it. At nighttime, this thing just bright up like a football field. So this is our look in the backyard at nighttime. But when I put the light on that we recently installed, the solar lights, it's not all the way up. I'm gonna turn it all the way up. Look how bright it is. It's so bright you can see the spider web. Check out the spider. See it right there? That's the spider web. This is how this one look at night. I usually have it on low so it don't blind my neighbors. Can't go wrong with these lights.